From your Sex Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the Nintendo Switch when you have it connected to your dock or in the TV mode, and this is very easy to do. Now there's two different ways that we could actually do this. Or you can go to the front of the Nintendo Switch and just press the power button and turn it off normally. Otherwise we can go on over to the sleep mode, the power option or the symbol in the bottom right side of the screen, and we can select sleep mode. It says the console will now enter sleep mode. Press the home button to wake it. You can also activate sleep mode from quick settings by holding the home button. Okay, so let's go to sleep mode, and my Nintendo Switch is now turning off. So now you have to press the home button to wake it. So let's press this on the controller. So I'm going to press it and it should wake up now. So the controller is now connecting here. So sometimes that might happen and you have to wait for it to connect. Then you can press the home button and wake it. So, boom. Now we have to connect the other controller too. So this one's connected now. So once the controller's connected, press the home button. It should wake up the Nintendo Switch and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.